getting ready to test ride this Honda. Alright, what are you going to tell me about this thing?
Quick. To start it, basically just push the button here, the electronic start.
Yeah.
The navy will pop up. Side stand will be down as it shows right there. One passenger, basically your weight. You can change those modes like we were kind of talking from you and the wife, you and luggage, you with luggage and the wife. Okay. Traction control, neutral, hill start assist, ABS, and your parking brake on this will all be shut off after you start rolling. Of course, your parking brake's on the left.
It has a parking brake?
It does have a parking brake because when you kill the bike, it always goes back to neutral, so you never have that gear to put it in. So, pretty simple. Just pull up, release,
and let it go.
Parking brake will go out. Neutral, and then your mode here, which you can change your mode on the fly. Just make sure that you have no throttle. Just release the throttle, come up, pop it over to whatever you want, let it sit for a second, and then throttle back on. And it will change the dynamics of the bike,
So leave it on tour for right now.
Leave it on tour for right now.
And I heard that you can, what, shift up or down?
You can paddle shift from here. So when you're in drive on this one, it will pop over that you're in first gear, and there will be a D that pops up. If you hit the AM, which is automatic manual, if you hit the M button, the D will go away. It'll let you know that you are in paddle shift mode. We'll probably come over the parking lot and let you kind of feel the
good idea
from there. But the same way this works, that works as well.
Gotcha.
So if you don't want to use the foot shifter, it's there. It doesn't really matter.
So that foot shifter comes with the models, or they don't?
That is actually an accessory. Everything you see on this, we did an accessory. The CB, the taller windscreen, the foot shifter, the back luggage rack, the XM antenna. That's all going to be extras. I think you got cornering lights on this. You got fog lights here. You got your HomeLink key system set up too. So if you have a garage, that's already set up on this one. Just remember, when you come to a light and you just brake, there is no downshifting. The bike will downshift itself.
And no gunning.
Do not rev.
That makes sense.
Do not rev the bike, because you will go forward, Traction control, like I said, all those lights will go off. So when you are ready, just pop it into drive, and then it's just throttle.
So I have to hit the drive.
Yeah, hit drive, it'll pop into drive. You will not move until the throttle goes. Ready? Okay. Your windshield, there's that second button up top.
Got it. Well, this can say right off the bat, this is really weird. No clutch. See that? No clutch. Are the front brakes and the back brakes linked when you hit them?
Yes. So a little bit of the rear brake activates like two pistons on the front.
Yeah.
Same thing, vice versa.
I can feel a little bit more on this when it goes down. A little bit. I'm already wanting to hit the clutch.
It's definitely something you got to get used to.
But this is pretty damn cool. Well, the motor, it knows when to put the motor down when you just tap the brakes. I felt the motor kick down.
Yeah, any braking, any deceleration RPMs, it knows where to go.
That is pretty cool.
We can keep going. I normally stop here and then get some highway time on the opposite bike.
Now let me stay on this one.
Huh?
I'm gonna stay on this one.
Stay on this one? Okay, perfect. Cool.
At first I was kind of wiggling, you know, when you take off.
Yeah.
But now I'm used to it.
Yeah,
Because it's so much smooth.
Yeah, you're used to that release point to where you have that, you just throttle and...
Yeah. That's pretty amazing. Well, I'm digging this bike.
How do you like the backrest? Is it feeling all right?
I'm not even touching
Are
it.
you touching it? Yeah, you really kind of get it laid back a little bit.
See, now, if I'm laying back on it, I don't know if it's adjustable or not.
It's not really. That might help. But
It pops back.
Yeah.
I might have to have one that'd be adjusted, because I love my backrest.
Yeah.
Because it makes a difference, especially when you're going a long ways.
Right.
Where's that clutch?
How do your legs feel? I know you've only been on the bike for about 15 minutes, but position, tired?
Actually, it's pretty nice.
Yeah. Okay.
That's pretty darn cool, I have to say.
A lot different from what you're used to, huh?
No kidding. Well, the other thing that was really amazing was that it knew when I was going to shift.
Yeah.
And especially when I was hitting the brakes, because I'm usually downshifting.
Yeah. If you're downshifting your bike at that point of RPM to what this does at that RPM, I'm kind of confused by your question.
Okay, well, sometimes I don't hit the brake. I'll just downshift.
Just downshift, yes.
Yeah, that doesn't follow exactly the way I would, but it does when I tap the brake.
Yes, yeah. Like I said, when you tap that brake in any RPM,
it starts popping down.
It will start popping down. But at throttle, and you want to slow down, if you just release, you can paddle shift down at a higher RPM to downshift that prior to it already going to downshift. So in the sense where you don't use the brake to downshift
just
and
to
you use that downshift to slow down, you can still paddle shift down.
Well, that's cool. Oh, absolutely. Very comfortable bike. Nice. It was fun to ride.
Was it everything I said it was?
Yeah, actually it was.
I told you.
It was pretty darn cool.
I told you it was.
The 2018 DTC Gullwing is awesome. I love that bike. I want one. Oh my gosh, that's such a fun ride. I've never rode an automatic bike of this size. I rode a scooter, but not one of this caliber, and it would have shift when I wanted to shift. It was like it was reading my mind. Pretty darn cool. Am I going to get one? I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. Guys, if you like these types of video, click on the subscribe button down below and then hammer the hell out of that bell and you'll get an email notification that I've uploaded a video. Also, if you'd like to be an insider and a supporter of Lone Star Rider, click on that button right up there and check out my Patreon site. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share, comment, let me know what you think. Catch you on the road. Yes, catch you on the road. Awesome. I'm in love. Don't tell Robin. Well, go ahead, she'll understand. Emoji. Emoji. I tell you what, the 28 Gull Wing, the DTC 28. Guys, if you like these types of